Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these reusable ice pack. They can be used for hot or cold. So today we have our reusable hot water bags. These are great for using for hot or cold. They're about 5.5 inches. You get 4 different colors. You get a yellow, pink, white, and a blue. So here is the yellow one. They do offer it in 2 different colors. So here's the pink one. Then you have the white one. And then you have a blue one. So they are about 6 inches high by 5.5 inches wide. So again, like I said, these can be used for hot and cold. So if you have any headaches, cramps, backaches, these are great to use. So all you got to do is just twist this, put in your ice or your hot water. It's super easy to use. You have 4 packs with different patterns, colorful and eye-catching. You can apply one to heat and another one applying to ice. You can open up the lid with the ice pack, add the ice cubes to water, fill 2/3 of the pack, close the lid. So right now I'm going to go ahead, and I already have ice in here. I'm going to show you. My son does have a little headache, so I'm going to put some ice in this and put it on his head so it feels nice and fluffy. They are really soft to the touch. Being that I have the camera in my hand, I'm going to have my son help me open this up so it doesn't pop up. It just twists, so you don't have to worry about any of the liquid or ice falling out. So you got to twist it here. It's got a twist top. And I did put some ice in here. You can see there's a lot more room. I just wanted to put a little bit. These are safe and waterproof. The ice pack has a leak-proof design to ensure that the water stays cold or the hot for longer, and it is easy to carry with you anywhere, anytime. It's got fine craftsmanship, and its reliable quality enables you to use for a longer time, so it doesn't melt right away. So this can be used with hot and cold liquids. So like right here is the ice. You can see it's puffed up, so it's really soft to the touch. If you're looking for a nice hot or cold pack, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. They got really nice, cute designs, and they do just the job to get rid of your pain.